Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to pin a message in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now, in order to pin a message in Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And after opening your Telegram app, guys, open the chat box of the person on which you want to pin a message. So let's go. And over here on this chat box of my friend, guys, I'll be sending a message like hello, and let's send it. Now you can see, guys, a message has been sent. Now in order to pin that message, tap the message which you want to pin, and this kind of a box will appear, and it will appear for any of the boxes, any of the messages on which you tap, and similar kind of box will appear. Now you can see the pin option available for us on this box just below the forward or just above the edit. Tap on that pin, and here it says, do you want to pin this message to the top of this chat and also pin for that person? Tap on the box and the tick mark will appear if you want to pin that chat or that message for that person also. And after that, tap on the pin at the right side of that pop-up box. And with that being done, guys, you can see the pin message over here at the top of the screen. And there, guys, this is how to pin a message in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.